The Photon Mono M7 3D printer by ANYCUBIC is equipped with a large 10.1-inch 14K monochrome LCD screen, which ensures high-resolution printing with impressive detail. With the ability to print at speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour using high-speed resin, this printer significantly reduces waiting times and enhances productivity. The innovative COB LighTurbo 3.0 system provides uniform light distribution and includes a light-off compensation algorithm, ensuring high print success rates. A variety of intelligent features are incorporated, such as platform installation detection and real-time sensing curves, which help minimize errors during the printing process. The printer's substantial build volume of 8.77 by 4.96 by 9.05 inches allows for the creation of larger models or multiple prints simultaneously. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, the Photon Mono M7 stands out as a powerful tool for both hobbyists and professionals in the 3D printing community.